President Trump's legal team released a new briefing Monday, providing the most detailed preview yet of the president's defense strategy. Lawyers plan to argue the two articles, abuse of power and obstruction of Congress, do not amount to impeachable offenses.
If the allegations are not impeachable, then this trial should result in an acquittal, regardless of whether the conduct is regarded as okay by you or by me or by voters.
Alan Dershowitz, a self-proclaimed liberal Democrat with a limited role on Trump's defense team, says even if all the arguments laid out by the House are accepted as fact, Trump should not be impeached.
When you have somebody who, for example, is indicted for a crime, let's assume you have a lot of evidence, but the grand jury simply indicts for something that's not a crime, and that's what happened here. You have a lot of evidence, disputed evidence, could go both ways, but the vote was to impeach on abuse of power, which is not within the constitutional criteria for impeachment, and obstruction of Congress.
Lead House Manager Adam Schiff isn't buying it.
That's the argument I suppose you have to make if the facts are so dead set against you.
In their own briefing released over the weekend, Democrats argue Trump's actions call for impeachment and removal.
Abuse of power is at the center of what the framers intended an impeachable offense.
We did it! We did it!
Last night in Texas, President Trump blasted Democrats and the, quote, impeachment scam.
We're achieving what no administration has ever achieved before. And what do I get out of it? Tell me. I get impeached.
The Senate convenes at 1 p.m. Tuesday to vote on the trial rules, and then phase one begins, when each side will be given 24 hours to present their case, while the Senate jury can only silently observe until they can submit written questions. Reporting from Capitol Hill, Abigail Robertson, CBN.